Here we're going to be looking at this idea of building the brakes in the gym. Deceleration is one component of training that oftentimes gets overlooked and also very undervalued while someone is in season for their activity or sport. We're going to be looking at a few different exercises that we like to train eccentrically to work on this deceleration pattern. Initially, we're looking at a hamstring curl or a Nordic hamstring curl that works on that deceleration moment. We're trying to create time under tension in the hamstring muscles in order to help mitigate injury risk, especially with my field-based athletes. The next movement pattern we're looking at to create a little bit of eccentric strength through the hamstrings is a glute bridge with a rollout. Here again, we're asking the body to kind of recruit some muscles from that posterior chain, whether we're talking glutes or hamstrings, maintain that position in that pelvic space, and allow a slow, controlled knee extension and even a pullback if we can get through the entirety of the motion. This adds another layer to this eccentric control throughout. Next, we're going to flip to the anterior chain, so we're going to look at some quadricep-based movement patterns. Here we're doing a reverse Nordic curl, where we're asking the quadriceps to lengthen under time or time under tension in a controlled manner throughout. We can even look at things like a lateral step-down pattern, where we're asking the quad to, again, eccentrically control this step-off landing. In my post-op patient here, you can see him getting the wiggles and the shakes quite a bit because this is commonly the hardest thing to restore after any sort of trauma, injury, or surgical procedure. Restoration of this lateral step-down or even a more challenging forward step-down is one component of strengthening that oftentimes gets overlooked. Concentric is important, similar to isometrics, but that eccentric controlled lengthening is one that we need to add in.